First, you need to register from this button. Here, you should at least fill out your username, height, weight, your exercise target, and set your password. Don't worry if you miss some boxes. You could revise them later. After register, you will get a piece of advice based on your body mass index to recommend how many calories you should intake every day. When you log in successfully, you can see your dashboard. Click on the Setting button. You can revise your registered information and change your ID photo from 4 choices. Although our registration is anonymous, you could find someone filtered by conditions, for example, share the same targets or live in the same state, and send emails to him or her for social purpose.
When you press the What Have I Eaten Today button, the page will automatically redirect to Calorie Calculator. In the calculator page, you can enter the daily food intake. In the first drop-down menu, you can select the type of food. The second menu will change with the first menu. Here, you can select the product of food, and then you can enter the amount of food. After pressing Add Food, the entered food will be automatically saved to the form, recording all the food you eat. If you make a mistake, you can use Empty Table to delete the record. Next, let's try to enter all the food we have eaten today into the table. When you have completed the form, you can submit, and the calculator will display the total calories amount of all your food. Then you can use Run Now button to plan the running distance.
There are 3 entrances to the route finder page. If you enter through calorie submission, the page will show the distance you need to run after calculation of your BMR. Let the browser get your geolocation automatically or send manually through pop-ups in the map. The program will eliminate the points and edges that are not suitable for running. The server will find out the most suitable route or return an error if not found. Due to the calculation ability, the process will take around 1 minute. You can choose only the distance below 1 kilometer. The last button will return an instant route without elimination. There is no restriction of distance. It allows you to modify your route on your own.